of elected as of Sri Triveni School Cabinet for the academic year 2024-25. I pledge to discharge my duties sincerely and honestly for the smooth functioning of the school. I pledge I will abide by all the rules and regulations of the school. We pledge to strive in the spirit of excellence in sports, academics and co-curricular activities so that we can keep the flag of Sri Triveni School always flying high. Thank you.
Standard test. Attention.
It helps the students to develop a sense of pride, responsibilities as well as teamwork. We can witness the team spirit. March Past is all about synchronization, teamwork, activities and spoken coordination. March Past is a ceremonial act of marching students or sports team during the significant events. Its purpose is to showcase discipline, unity and coordination. An important ceremonial practice. It sets the tone for discipline and decorum at an event. Marching teaches discipline, coordination and respect. It helps the students to develop a sense of pride and responsibilities. By marching, students learn to cooperate and move unison.
Participation in the district level Kabaddi tournament, P. Yashwant Reddy, followed by S. Akshita. S. Akshita from 8th standard, good at drawing and painting. P. Yashwant Reddy, Blue House captain. And S. Akshita, Blue House vice captain.
Wow, they are proceeding to the chief guest. They are saluting to the director sir and the chairman sir and principal. Next to blue is green. Gracious match of green color. Green symbolizes glory and energy. In spiritual terms, green implies beginning, new growth, vibrant health and other ideas connected with the life, rebirth and other times. They are creative and highly talented. It is the success of their secret in various inter-house competitions. It also implies energy, passion, strength, creativity, warmth and security. Red is a color of fire. It is associated with energy, strength, determination and desire.
8th standard, good at sports, very active, have good leadership qualities in Chandu Yadav. Red House vice captain from 8th standard, Kavya Sudha from 9th standard, elected as Red House captain.
Kavya Sudha followed by G. Chandu Yadav proceeding to our chairman sir and director sir to salute. Saluting our dignitaries on the dais. Next exercise
And dancing. Yellow House vice captain T. Sherling from 8th standard and Anush Tiwari from 9th standard. The four colors in Sri Triveni crowd, it's memorable moment.
all the beautiful colors in Sri Triveni ground. It is an eye-catching moment and eye-catching marching of our colors in the Sri Triveni ground. You can see all the groups, blue, red, green, yellow. Blue is the color of sky and water. Green is the color of environment. Red is the color of fire. Yellow is the color of wisdom.
Like open space, the ground is filled with colors. We have high school students, grade 5 to 10, covering this ground, and you can see all our students, the New Horizons block students, standing backside. So it makes the whole picture of our school on Saturday morning, and I would like to extend my heartfelt greeting to all the newly elected school cabinet headed by the school head boy Mr. Rohan Kumar and head girl Jayahamshri, both from 10th standard, and all their subordinates in the school cabinet. They are going to perform well throughout the academic year. I would like to request them set themselves as guides or like what you say role leaders to all other students, role models to all other students who are in the school, and they need to deliver their responsibilities. Whatever responsibilities are given, they have to deliver wholeheartedly and see that school functions smoothly throughout the academic year.
మోడల్గా మిగతా విద్యార్థి అంతా కూడా తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. దానికి తోడుగా మీ ముందు వచ్చినటువంటి టోటల్ క్యాబినెట్ వారికి ప్రతి అడుగున కూడా వీరు సహకరించాలి. అయ్యో మేము కూడా క్యాబినెట్లో ఉంటామనేటువంటి తపన నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ మీ అందరూ కలగాలి. వై బికాస్ ఈ స్కూల్ నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత కూడా నేను 2024-25 బ్యాచ్కి ప్రెసిడెంట్గా ఉన్నాను. సో ఎల్లో గ్రూప్కి నేను ఆర్గనైజర్గా క్యాప్టెన్గా ఉన్నాను, స్కూల్గా క్యాప్టెన్గా ఉన్నాననేటటువంటి అవుట్ గోయింగ్ బెస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్, బెస్ట్ డిసిప్లిన్ స్టూడెంట్ రకరకాలు ఏవైతే మనం పేర్లు పెట్టుకొని వారికి అందరికీ కూడా బ్యాచెస్ ఇవ్వడం, అదేవిధంగా వారికి లోగో కూడా మీ అందరి సమక్షంలో ప్రజెంట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో ఉపాధ్యాయుల పైన మరి శారద గారు మరి గోవర్ధన్ రెడ్డి గారి అండర్ గైడెన్స్ ఈ కార్యక్రమం చక్కగా నిర్వహించినందుకు ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి పేరు పేరున హృదయపూర్వకంగా ధన్యవాద్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Today's English teacher program. I'd like to thank Mr. Ella Gaul for making such a beautiful manifest. I'd like to thank Yellow House organizers like Mrs. Ayesha ma'am, Mrs. Prashanti ma'am, Mrs. Amrita ma'am, and other team members. A big thank you ma'am, and all the school cabinet successfully taken your oath. And I'd like to thank Vice Principal Mr. Sidram sir and second floor all the teachers, those who extended their cooperation to make children to attend this training sessions and all. So with this I'll conclude today's program, and thank you very much Honorable Chairman sir to witness this program, and I'd like to thank Honorable Director sir to guiding us to make and to grow in such a way that to reach the sky is the limit. The Sri Triveni school must reach the flying colors. For your guidance and support, thank you very much sir. Thank you everyone.